Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites, internet access and a charged laptop, because the account process requires online verification. Once ready, open Settings and go directly to Accounts. This skips distractions and begins sign-in. If you don't have an account, create one using your email or phone right there. Make sure to use a strong password and note recovery options as you create it, because those details let you regain access if you ever forget credentials. You now enter your Microsoft email or phone and the password. Do this carefully to avoid lockouts. Once entered, complete verification. Microsoft usually sends a code to your email or phone. Type that code immediately. If offered, set up the Authenticator app. This is faster and more secure than SMS. After verification, you'll be asked to link this laptop to your account. Name the device clearly so you can manage it later in account security settings. You finish by syncing settings and enabling OneDrive so files back up automatically. This makes your laptop consistent across devices. Next, set a Windows Hello PIN for fast local sign-in, and consider BitLocker if you want full disk encryption. If something goes wrong, first check the clock and internet connection. Misconfigured time often breaks verification. Then clear cached credentials, restart, and if needed, use the password reset link.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.